Hello, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your question tonight. So we have these 2 points. 4, 5 is P, and Q is negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. And from P to Q is this vector right here. And what we want to do is we want to find the unit vector. So to do that, the vector, to change this into a vector, we're actually going to count the spaces we go over, or we can just subtract P from Q. So that's what I'm going to do. To get the x coordinate, I'm going to subtract 4 from negative 7. So it's going to be negative 7 minus 4. And then I'm going to subtract 5 from 2. And then the y is going to be that. So what we get for PQ is going to equal negative 11, negative 3. And it makes sense because it goes back 11 and down 3. So if we had this vector from the origin, we go over 11 and then down 3, and then this will be our origin. Now, what we need now is the unit vector. The unit vector is just going to be in the same direction, but we just want it to go 1, the distance of 1, or magnitude of 1. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to divide this vector by its distance. And to find its distance, we're going to use the distance formula for these two things, which we can actually use these two things. So the distance, or magnitude, is going to equal the square root of negative 11 squared plus the square root of negative 3 squared. So that equals, distance equals the square root of 121 plus 9. So the distance equals the square root of 130. Now, what we need to do to the vector is divide each x and y. We need to divide it by the distance of the vector. And we have the distance right here, so to define the unit vector, we'll just put 11 over square root 130, and then negative 3 over square root 130. And that will be your unit vector. All right? Thank you for sending in your question tonight, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.